Today I'm showing you 20 types of homes you can actually build for under $50,000. From tiny houses to shipping containers, barndominiums to yurts, these affordable options prove you don't need a massive budget to own your dream home. Stay until the end, where I'll share the building companies that specialize in low-cost construction. Let's explore these budget-friendly homes. At number 1, we have the tiny house. Tiny houses are the most affordable housing option, with many models built for well under $50,000. These compact homes maximize every square inch with clever storage solutions and multifunctional furniture. You can purchase a complete tiny house or build a basic shell and finish the interior yourself to save even more money. Tiny houses are perfect for minimalists, first-time buyers, or anyone wanting to live debt-free. At number 2, we have the barndominium with steel frame construction. By using pre-engineered steel frames and stock floor plans, barndominiums can be built for under $50,000 for a basic model. The steel structure is durable, low maintenance, and quick to erect. These open-concept homes offer flexibility in layout and can be expanded later as your budget allows. Barndominiums are ideal for rural properties and those wanting affordable, sturdy construction. At number 3, we have the shipping container home. Used shipping containers provide an inherent structure that dramatically reduces construction costs. A basic home can be built from one or more containers for under $50,000. These homes are incredibly durable, weather-resistant, and can be arranged in creative configurations. Container homes are perfect for those wanting modern, industrial aesthetics on a tight budget. At number 4, we have the modular home. Factory-built modules are more affordable than traditional stick-built construction. A smaller, simpler modular home can be purchased and installed for under $50,000. These homes are built in controlled factory conditions, ensuring quality and consistency. Modular homes can be customized with various floor plans and finish levels to match your budget. At number 5, we have the A-frame house. The simple triangular shape of an A-frame house makes it one of the most cost-effective designs available. Lower material costs and straightforward construction keep prices down. These iconic homes feature dramatic vaulted ceilings and abundant natural light. A-frames work beautifully as vacation homes, mountain retreats, or primary residences for those embracing simple living. At number 6, we have the ranch-style home. A small, single-story ranch home with a basic layout and standard finishes can be built for under $50,000. The simple rectangular footprint minimizes construction complexity and material waste. Ranch homes are accessible, easy to maintain, and perfect for aging in place. This classic American home style remains affordable and practical for budget-conscious builders. At number 7, we have the DIY kit home. Several companies sell pre-cut building kits for small homes that you can assemble yourself. By eliminating professional labor costs, you can build a complete home for under $50,000. These kits include all materials, plans, and instructions needed for assembly. DIY kit homes are perfect for handy individuals willing to invest sweat equity for massive savings. At number 8, we have the pole barn house. Essentially a pole barn structure with a finished interior, these homes are extremely economical to build. The post-frame construction is fast, affordable, and requires minimal foundation work. Pole barn houses offer large open spaces perfect for flexible floor plans. These are ideal for rural properties and those wanting maximum space for minimum cost. At number 9, we have the small cottage. A compact cottage with simple design and minimal features keeps construction costs well under $50,000. These charming homes typically feature 1 or 2 bedrooms with efficient layouts. Cottages work beautifully as starter homes, vacation properties, or downsizing options for empty nesters. The cozy footprint means lower utility bills and easier maintenance long-term. At number 10, we have the bungalow. Small, one-story bungalows represent another affordable and simple home style. The single-level design eliminates staircase costs and simplifies construction. Bungalows typically feature front porches and efficient floor plans. These homes are perfect for those wanting classic architectural style without breaking the budget. At number 11, we have the tiny house shell. Purchase a pre-built exterior shell and finish the inside yourself to maximize savings. This approach keeps costs under $50,000 while giving you complete control over interior finishes. You can complete the interior over time as budget allows. Tiny house shells are perfect for DIY enthusiasts wanting to personalize every detail. At number 12, we have the small log cabin. A very small log cabin using a DIY kit or simple design can be built affordably in certain regions. The natural beauty of logs creates instant character and charm. Log cabins offer excellent insulation and a connection to nature. These are ideal for mountain properties, woodland settings, or anyone wanting rustic aesthetics on a budget. At number 13, we have the studio apartment-style home. A small, open-plan home with a single main room can be built very cheaply. The simple design eliminates interior walls and complex layouts. Studio homes maximize efficiency and minimize construction costs. Perfect for singles, couples, or anyone embracing minimalist living. These homes prove less truly can be more. Asterisk at number 14, we have the modular tiny home. These small modular units are built in factories and delivered complete to your property. More affordable than custom-built tiny homes, they offer quality construction at lower prices. Modular tiny homes can be placed on permanent foundations or wheels. These represent a turnkey solution for those wanting immediate occupancy under $50,000. At number 15, we have the small 3D printed home. While still a developing market, small 3D printed homes are fast and potentially very cheap. Some services offer basic models for under $50,000. This cutting-edge construction method uses computer-controlled printers to create walls from concrete or other materials. 3D printed homes represent the future of affordable housing construction. At number 16, we have the small cabin. A basic, small cabin with simple amenities is a highly cost-effective option. These no-frills homes focus on essential living spaces without expensive features. Small cabins work perfectly as vacation properties, hunting camps, or off-grid retreats. The simple construction keeps costs well under $50,000. At number 17, we have the yurt. While a unique choice, some people have successfully converted yurts into full-time residences for very low cost. These circular structures feature fabric walls on wooden frames. Yurts are quick to erect, easy to heat and cool, and create unique living spaces. Perfect for those wanting alternative housing and willing to embrace unconventional design. At number 18, we have the shed-to-home conversion. Converting a large, pre-built shed into livable space can be done for under $50,000. Many shed companies sell shells designed for conversion into tiny homes. By finishing the interior yourself, you create custom living space affordably. Shed conversions are increasingly popular for backyard offices, guest houses, or primary residences. At number 19, we have the small Adobe home. Depending on your location, a small, simple Adobe home can be very affordable. These earth-based structures use local materials, minimizing transportation costs. Adobe homes offer excellent thermal mass for temperature regulation. Perfect for southwestern climates, these homes blend traditional building methods with modern efficiency. At number 20, we have the small Earthship. While some Earthships can be expensive, a very basic, small version can be built on a tight budget using recycled materials. These off-grid homes use tires, bottles, and cans as building materials. Earthships are completely sustainable with solar power and rainwater collection. Perfect for those wanting eco-friendly living and willing to invest significant labor for ultimate affordability. Now, let me share building companies that specialize in affordable home construction under $50,000. Tumbleweed Tiny House Company offers complete tiny house shells and plans. Boxable manufactures modular units starting around $40,000. General Steel Buildings provides barndominium kits at various price points. Alternative Living Spaces specializes in container homes with budget-friendly options. Jamaica Cottage Shop sells DIY cabin and cottage kits. Many local pole barn builders can create affordable post-frame homes. Research modular home manufacturers in your region for competitive pricing. Always get multiple quotes and verify licensing and insurance before hiring any builder. Which of these 20 affordable home types is your favorite? What's your budget for building? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more affordable housing content. Check out my other videos on budget building tips and low-cost home designs. Thanks for watching, and remember, homeownership is possible even on a tight budget.